Hello!
Hi!
Hi! Come in! How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good.
Good.
Welcome to my humble home.
Thank you so much. I can see kittens everywhere. These are your babies.
These are my babies, yes.
So happy to see them too.
Okay, let's go inside the kitchen.
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes.
Come
let's
in.
Cook something nice, huh?
So welcome Nandita to my kitchen. I'm so excited that you could make it all the way to my city, and I'm so excited to cook with you today.
Thank you for having me.
Always. Those of you who don't know Nandita, her name on Instagram and Facebook as the Spiced Chickpea. So I thought I'm gonna make something with chickpeas today.
Always approve.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay, I
definitely.
hope you like this recipe. What do you reckon? What do we do it with this chutney today?
Well, I think we can definitely pair those chickpea kebabs with my spicy fiery dip with Madame Jeanette pepper.
Oh wow. Okay, so
totally
that's
different from your mint sauce, but
yeah.
equally delicious.
Oh wow, I'm so excited. For the chickpea kebab, what we need is chickpeas, of course, though. What I've done is I'm not using the ones from the can.
Yes.
Because you can always use 250 grams ml can, drain it, and then just wash it once, because it has the slimy preservative kind of a thing, which is not really tasting good. So just take that off, and then you can use it that way, or just soak it overnight and then use a pressure cooker, instant pot, crock pot, whatever you have at home, and boil it, or a regular pan and then just boil it.
This is exactly how my mom does it at home.
Yeah.
She rarely buys like the cans because, like you said, it's better like this.
It is good. So we're going to use, this is 1 cup of chickpea. We're not going to use the whole thing. We'll take half cup of this. And then I've boiled these 2 baby potatoes also. So we're going to use these 2 potatoes with half cup of chickpea.
Yes.
Some coriander leaves, some ginger.
Yeah.
Because you're going to use super spicy chili, I thought I'm going to go ahead with this chili, which is spicy, but I'm just going to use really less, and some spices. So let's get cooking, and then on the way we start explaining what the steps are. And how about your chutney or dip? Can you explain that?
Well, actually, for my dip, the things that we need is some mayo.
Okay.
And of course the yellow pepper, the Madame Jeanette pepper. It's a really known pepper in Suriname. Some spices. So we're gonna use a smoked paprika powder.
Yeah.
Some curry spices, but these are the ones that we use at home. So it's called like the Hindustani masala. A little lemon juice, a lot of garlic, like a small clove of garlic,
yeah.
a little bit of onion, and we're gonna use some parsley, and we're just gonna mix it all, and it's actually done in like seconds maybe.
You can use maizena to bind the kebabs.
Yeah.
But I generally like to use kikar ertemeel or
Besan, right?
Besan, ertemeel. Or gram flour in English. So I generally like to use a gluten-free flour. You can also use tapioca, I don't know, taro flour. You can use whatever. Rice flour is also fine. But anything like a binding agent is what you need. So I'm gonna start chopping in the onions.
In the meantime, I'm also chopping some onion, like a quarter of an onion and a small garlic clove. So it's easy when you just mix it up in like a machine. And if you don't have that at home, just, finely chop it or grind it in a pestle mortar.
Oh,
that's
perfect.
also fine. So,
and is this like a traditional dish, or is it Nandita's creation?
This is my creation. I'm sure like there are many food variations on like a spicy dip. But I'm like a huge fan of spices, and this pepper is like my second love next to chickpeas.
Oh wow.
So I'm just gonna add like some lemon juice and then the spices, and let's just smell this pepper, because what I normally do if I want to know how spicy it is, I just smell it. So I'm just gonna start with maybe like a teaspoon of pepper.
Okay.
So if you've never used this pepper, just start with like a little piece and then, you know,
progress with it.
Exactly.
Okay. So what I have done while we were talking is I've grated some ginger and the quarter of the onion that you had left, and peeled the potato. I will now chop up the coriander, one green chili, and then add the chickpea and start mashing it and getting it together. That's about it again.
So I'm just gonna, ooh, just came out everywhere. Let's add the mayo to it. Yes, I tasted it, and I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper because I really like the flavor of the pepper. And I'm also gonna add some extra curry powder and some salt and pepper because
do you like it?
Much better.
Yeah?
Yes, definitely.
So while you were doing that, I've got my spiced chickpeas and potato with onion and ginger and green chili and coriander mix. I'm gonna now add half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of my homemade tandoori masala. Ooh. You can always buy it from the store. You don't have to.
It's always nicer to make it at home, right? So I think I beat you today.
Woo woo!
I'm already done.
Yeah, I mean that's cheating, you know. You've chosen the easiest, quickest dish. Oh, that's cheating.
I know, but maybe I can help you now, right?
So now what I've done is I added 2 tablespoons of the besan or kikar tamil gram flour, and now I formed these. These are like fish balls, but vegan. These are vegan kebabs. So I've got this. I'm gonna just rotate it again in between my palms.
You want me to help you, or
I'm gonna show you one, and then you do the rest. You know, so you have this. Yeah, this way, flattened it up this way.
Yeah.
And a tip is, if you want to make like really, just keep rotating it between.
Wow. That's how to get the perfect shape.
Exactly. See, now, if you see. All the edges are perfect. There's no edge which is not perfect. Yeah.
So it can't really crack, right? So
this cannot. Yeah. And this is like the foolproof method of getting all the edges pretty much looking the same. So I've got a pan, a flat pan for like shallow frying. You don't need to deep fry this. It's a kebab. It's not supposed to be deep fried. You can also bake it or air fry it if you like. But I'm gonna add some oil. Just let it sit for like a good 2 to 3 minutes maybe. If you're not sure what's happening, you can lift it up after a minute and see. If you notice, almost all the oil from the pan has been soaked up, and that's because chickpeas and chickpea flour generally absorbs a lot of oil. So that's one disadvantage of working with chickpeas per se. But at the end of the day, we have just used 3 tablespoons of oil to make this whole thing, so it's not really that unhealthy. So I feel done. If you see, this is the color that you're looking for, and I'm gonna take it off. So do you see that crispy edges? If you take your fingers on it or take a fork, just super crispy.
Perfectly cooked. I can't believe just a few ingredients and then you have something so delicious.
This is how the kebabs taste. I mean, look. We have one sitting there, so maybe we taste that so that we're not destroying the whole prettiness. But this looks beautiful. I don't know if it's visible, but this is pretty much out of the oven.
Cheers.
Cheers. So,
It's so yummy already. Love the textures.
It's crispy and soft inside, but also I can taste the ginger as yet. I don't know. Do you?
Yeah.
So that was it for today. I'm gonna link the recipes for the kebab and her fiery dip in the description below. And I hope you guys give both these recipes a try and enjoy your last few days of the summer, because I think this is just the perfect ending to the summer. Even if it's not summer, winter, whatever, just do it. And if you like the video, give me a like, a comment down below, And please thank Nandita for this amazing dip that she's taught, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. Take care, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.